Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best oil filter funnel is probably one of the most overlooked yet incredibly useful kitchen gadgets, transforming the messy task of straining and reusing cooking oil into a clean, efficient, and even enjoyable process, ultimately saving you money and reducing waste while ensuring your fried foods consistently taste their best. Number 5. Pisol Wide Mouth Versatile Funnel Set. Introducing the Pisol Wide Mouth Versatile Funnel. This kitchen essential is designed to handle all your filling and transferring needs with ease. It features 5 different spout sizes, ensuring a perfect fit for everything from wide mason jars to narrow spice bottles and even foaming dispensers. Crafted from high-quality, heat-resistant food-grade plastic, it can safely handle hot liquids like boiling water or hot soup up to 332.60 degrees Fahrenheit. The innovative rotating screw design allows you to easily switch between 5 different spout openings, making it incredibly adaptable for various food, cosmetic, or particle filling tasks. This set also comes with 2 strainers of different mesh sizes, providing perfect filtration every time and making it an indispensable tool in your kitchen. Cleaning is a breeze thanks to its hard plastic construction. It's dishwasher safe and includes a small brush for easily cleaning the spouts. This versatile funnel set makes a wonderful gift for anyone who loves to cook or wants to simplify their kitchen tasks. It's the ultimate helper you've been looking for. What we like. This funnel offers incredible versatility with its 5 adjustable spouts, making it suitable for a wide range of containers. Its heat-resistant construction ensures safety when transferring hot liquids. If you frequently transfer different types of liquids into various bottles, this is the ideal choice for you. What people say. The funnel is designed with a wide mouth, making it easy to pour oil into without spills. It features a fine mesh filter that effectively removes food particles and debris, ensuring cleaner oil for reuse. The detachable handle provides a secure grip and allows for easy cleaning and storage. Number 4. Pisol Wide Mouth Versatile Funnel Set. Introducing a kitchen essential designed for ultimate versatility. This funnel set is perfect for a wide range of tasks, making your cooking and preparation easier than ever. With 5 different spout sizes, you can fill anything from wide mason jars to narrow spice bottles. It adapts to all your needs, ensuring a perfect fit every time. Crafted from high-quality, food-grade plastic, it's built to last. It can safely handle hot liquids, making it ideal for transferring boiling water, soups, or coffee. Easily switch between spout sizes with a simple twist. Plus, the included strainers ensure smooth, lump-free transfers, making it a truly indispensable kitchen tool. Cleaning up is a breeze thanks to its durable plastic construction. It's dishwasher safe, and a special brush is included to reach every nook and cranny. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This versatile funnel set is ideal for anyone who loves to cook or wants to simplify their kitchen routine. It's a practical present for family and friends. What we like. This funnel also boasts 5 adaptable spouts and is made from durable, heat-resistant plastic for safe use with hot contents. If you're looking for a reliable and safe option for everyday kitchen tasks, this funnel is a great pick. What people say. It is a good size for my needs. The funnel is easy to clean and store. It works great for filtering oil. Number 3. LaSyL Natural Cooking Oil Solidifier Powder. Tired of messy grease cleanup after cooking? Our natural solidifier powder makes disposing of used cooking oil a breeze, eliminating sticky messes and preventing costly plumbing issues. Made entirely from plant-based ingredients, our hardener is environmentally friendly and non-toxic. You can use it with confidence, knowing it's safe for your home and the planet. Our value pack comes in a large 24-ounce jar, offering convenient storage and easy access. Simply measure out the amount you need for your used oil. Just add the powder to hot waste oil, stir until dissolved, and let it cool. The solidified oil can then be easily scooped up and discarded in the trash. Adjust the amount for a firmer result. Whether it's from your home kitchen or a restaurant, this solidifier works perfectly with all types of cooking oil. It's the ultimate solution for anyone who dislikes dealing with greasy waste. What we like. This product offers a mess-free solution for disposing of cooking oil. Its all-natural, plant-based formula solidifies oil quickly and safely. If you hate dealing with greasy messes and want an eco-friendly way to dispose of used oil, this is the perfect product for you. What people say. This funnel is designed with a wide mouth for easy pouring and a built-in strainer to catch food particles. The handle is comfortable to grip, making it easy to maneuver while filtering. It's made of durable stainless steel that won't rust or corrode, ensuring long-lasting use. Number 2. King Kooker 8 Plastic Cooking Oil Funnel. Introducing the King Kooker 8-inch Plastic Cooking Oil Funnel. It's designed for heavy-duty use in your kitchen. This tool is perfect for filtering out unwanted particles from your cooking liquids. Ensure a cleaner cooking experience every time. It comes with an attached reusable stainless steel mesh filter. This means you can use it again and again, saving you money and reducing waste. Cleaning is simple. Just hand wash it after use to keep it in top condition. This heavy-duty funnel is a versatile addition to your kitchen. It's built to last and handle all your filtering needs. What we like. This funnel features a generous 8-inch opening and an integrated reusable mesh filter, designed for heavy-duty use. If you need a straightforward, durable funnel for filtering larger quantities of cooking liquid, this is a solid option. What people say. This funnel is great for filtering oil from my fryer. It has a fine mesh that catches all the small particles. The handle makes it easy to hold and pour. Number 1. Commercial 10 Deep Fryer Oil Filters. Introducing our 10-inch commercial deep fryer filter cones. They are designed for superior filtration in demanding food service environments. These filters are not just for oil, they are also excellent for filtering maple syrup and beeswax. Their versatility makes them a must-have for any kitchen. Perfect for restaurants, cafes, food trucks, and hotels, these filters ensure the highest quality for your products. They help maintain purity and taste. Get a convenient 100-pack to keep your operations running smoothly. You'll always have a fresh filter ready when you need it. Using these filters helps preserve the quality and flavor of your fried foods and other filtered ingredients. Elevate your culinary standards with ease. Engineered for commercial use, these cones provide efficient grease filtering. They are built to handle high volumes and deliver consistent results. What we like. These are 10-inch commercial-grade filter cones designed for high-volume use. They are disposable, making cleanup incredibly fast. If you run a restaurant, cafe, or food truck and need efficient, high-capacity oil filtration, this bulk pack is ideal. What people say. The funnel is designed with a wide mouth for easy pouring and a fine mesh filter to catch even small particles. It effectively separates oil from food debris, allowing for cleaner oil reuse. The durable stainless steel construction ensures longevity and easy cleaning. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.